All right, this is Scott from Central Valley, HHO. This is some very, very important information for truck fleets, truck owners, new trucks, old trucks. When I say old trucks, we're talking 2011 and all the way up to 2019 and 2020s. But the number one problem with these trucks is DPF related issues, which are emission controls. Again, I've stated before in many videos that we're not just a hydrogen company, we're a fuel management system technology too as well, but we really understand the diesel truck technology with the emissions and all the sensors. And what I'm getting to, this is a truck fleet of 30 trucks. And you can see engine, exhaust, gas, recirculation. This is this particular truck here. There's another truck in front of it, but there's 30 trucks here. And what I'm going over is, this is one truck. And I'm trying to make this video as simple as possible. Here's another truck. Engine, exhaust, gas, recirculation. It's 411. That's like the most common problem. 411. Okay, there's a truck. That's truck. There's truck 10. Here's truck 11. Aftermarket diesel exhaust fluid dozer. Another emission related issue. Truck 12. Exhaust gas recirculation. Okay. This is very fine detail that comes out of the engine diagnostic port. Okay, with our monitoring. Okay, truck 14. Exhaust gas recirculation issue. Truck 15. Exhaust gas recirculation. Truck 16, aftermarket SCR. These are all emission related issues that every truck in the world has. Truck 17, aftermarket NOx. This is the NOx is at a super high level. Check engine lights are all on. Every one of these are showing the check engine lights on. And the other thing that's so important to know is fuel economy could be dropped from 16 to 20% on every single truck in this fleet. Look, truck 18, diesel exhaust fluid issue, DPDF, tank low fill. Any of these indications are going to make the truck derail or defuel or lower the horsepower of the truck and get bad fuel economy. Truck 19, exhaust gas recirculation. Another truck 20, aftermarket. I mean, it just goes on and on. This is the whole thing I'm trying to get to. There's one truck that doesn't have it. That's amazing. It does have an injector issue, exhaust valve on this one. Again, I'm just going over this really quick, okay? And then here's another truck 23. That one seems to not have a problem with the DPF emission technology. Truck 24, engine exhaust gas recirculation issue. Okay, here's another truck, SCR efficiency aftermarket. That's the same. Those are all emission related. Okay, anyways, the state of this video is every truck in the world after 2011s have severe issues. I'm just going to go off of, out of almost 30 trucks right there, I'm going to say 97% of them have this issue. So I'm going to say roughly 97% of the trucks are losing between 16 and 20% fuel savings. That's an astronomical amount of fuel loss and fuel savings. Again, with our technology, if you look at our videos, we clean up these codes. We make them go away, Again, this is Scott from Central Valley. I just want to explain to people that we really understand the new diesel truck technology. And with just this data alone, I can go into companies and prove to them that they are losing a lot of savings out the tailpipe of these vehicles or diesel trucks with this technology. Again, I just want to show that we know what we're doing here at Central Valley HHO with engine technology and emission technologies on these new trucks. Have a great day.